Guys, listen carefully. If you have no degree, little experience, and you feel stuck in your country because every immigration program seems too expensive or impossible, don't sleep on this. Ireland is quietly opening doors in 2026 for foreign workers through visa sponsorship jobs, and thousands of people are missing it. And here is the mind-blowing part. Some of these jobs do not require a university degree. If you are serious about strategic immigration, this is one of the smartest countries to look at right now. Ireland is facing a serious problem. Not enough workers. So what is the solution? Ireland is bringing in foreign workers through employment permits and visa sponsorship. And if you position yourself correctly, you can be one of them. Right now Ireland has critical skill shortages across multiple industries. Here are 5 sectors where foreigners are getting jobs. Healthcare, construction, technology, hospitality, logistics. One job that foreigners are targeting heavily right now is warehouse work and logistics. Why? Because many of these roles do not require a degree. Some only require basic English, physical ability to work, a valid passport. Another sector exploding right now is healthcare support roles like care assistants. Ireland's healthcare system is expanding and they urgently need workers. This means more visa sponsorship opportunities. And remember guys, these salaries are in euros. So even entry-level jobs can give you a strong financial start. Before you start packing your bags, let's talk about the basic requirements. The good news. They are simpler than you think. Here is the checklist. 1. Age. Most employers prefer workers between 21 and 45 years old. But this is flexible depending on the job. 2. Passport. You must have a valid international passport. At least 1 to 2 years validity is recommended. 3. English ability. You must be able to communicate in English. In some jobs you may need tests like IELTS. But many employers simply test your English during interviews. 4. Job offer. This is the key step. You must receive a job offer from an Irish employer willing to sponsor you. Once that happens, the employer applies for your employment permit. 5. Basic work experience. Some jobs require experience. But guys, remember this. Many hospitality, warehouse, and care roles do not require a university degree. This is why Ireland is becoming a strategic immigration destination for many people in 2026. Now let me show you the exact roadmap smart immigrants are using right now. Step 1. Prepare an international CV. Your CV should follow the European format. Highlight. Work experience. Skills. Certifications. Language ability. Keep it 1 to 2 pages. Simple and clean. Step 2. Apply on official Irish job portals. Here are 3 important websites. First. Department of Enterprise, Trade and Employment. This site lists critical skills employment permits. Second. Yours. This platform connects European employers with international workers. Third. Irish Jobs. Thousands of companies post vacancies here every month. Focus your search on visa sponsorship jobs. Step 3. Attend interviews. Most interviews happen online through Zoom or Teams. Employers will test your communication skills, your experience, your availability to relocate. Step 4. Employer applies for your work permit. This is usually one of these permits: Critical Skills Employment Permit, General Employment Permit. Once approved, you apply for your Irish work visa. Step 5. Travel to Ireland. After working legally for a few years, you may become eligible for long-term residency and eventually citizenship. This is why many people see Ireland as a gateway to Europe. Guys, if you are serious about moving abroad in 2026, Ireland is one country you should absolutely research right now. Opportunities are opening, but many people are still sleeping on it. So tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from? And if this video helped you understand the Ireland work visa process, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more strategic immigration opportunities. Because the smartest migrants move before everyone else catches on. And trust me guys, Ireland in 2026 is one opportunity you don't want to miss.